Have you ever noticed that words like day don't stay on just one vowel sounds? That's because they contain diphthong. Let's break it down in 1 minute. Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Mahmudul. Today we learn about diphthong. Let's get the ball rolling. A diphthong is a vowel sound that bleeds from one vowel quality to another in the same syllable. There are 8 common diphthongs in British English IPA. Now let's know what they are and how can we pronounce them. So dear learner, let's look. The first diphthong is A. That sounds like a half circle. A. For an example, day, say, make. Then another diphthong is I, my, time, like. Next one, we pronounce it oi. O. One sound and I, another sound. Together is two vowel sound is combined, create a new diphthong that is called oi. For an example, boy, toy, boys. Next one is ow, now, house, mouth, ow, go, that is all, go, home, phone. Another one is ear. The sound will be ear, here, near, idea. Then next one, air. The sound will be air, care, here, share. And the final one is tour. Last one is less important in modern British English. Imagine your mouth moving little sound slide. It starts as one vowel sound and ends as another. If the sound moves from one to another, there's not diphthong. For better understand, please repeat after me and follow. The one vowel sound is moved to another vowel sound. Day, boy, my, now, go. You see, the sound will start from one vowel sound and end to the another vowel sound. That's why it's diphthong. Again, here, care, told. Your pronunciation will become more clear and natural. Follow English with Mahmudul to get more English pronunciation tips and more IPA lessons. Have a good day. Bye bye.